bad food, bad habits. He was destroying himself slowly.
Now is the time to change life and ignore fast food.
Day 1 was brutal. Every step felt like pain.
Viewers, have you ever noticed what really happens when you eat fast food regularly? And how dramatically your life can change when you stop? This video is based on a powerful and trending concept, showing the real effects of fast food on your body. The reason I chose this niche is simple. In today's real world, this content is not only useful for people, but also extremely profitable on YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to YouTube and search for the channel Faster Fred. You can see I've already opened it here. This channel has over 41K subscribers with only around 50 videos uploaded, and yes, it is 100% monetized. According to estimates, this channel is earning thousands per month. The category is health, and the target country is the Netherlands. Now look at this. Almost every video on this channel is going viral. If we open the popular section, you'll notice a pattern. Every video focuses on simple but powerful topics like what happens when you eat fast food daily? What happens if you stop eating junk food for a few days? What happens when you drink more water? Or what happens if you stop drinking water? They even include exercise-based transformation videos. This niche is incredibly powerful because you're not just making content for yourself, you are helping people improve their lives. And that's exactly why these videos get massive views. Also, one important thing, these are 2D animated videos. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to create these animations step by step. Now here's the secret part. I've already created a master prompt for you. This prompt includes everything: character style strict rules, output format, image, video, voiceover, and even a complete story structure: lazy lifestyle, bad habits, realization, decision, struggle, hard work, and transformation. You'll find this master prompt in the description. Just copy it. Then open ChatGPT, paste it, and click generate. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. And boom, you'll get a complete scene-by-scene breakdown. Image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, everything included. Now carefully go through each scene. Each one is unique, engaging, and perfectly aligned with trending content. Next step, copy all prompts and save them in a document file. I personally use a Microsoft Word file so I can manage everything easily. Now comes the image generation part. We'll use Flow AI. Go to Create with Flow, start a new project, select Nano 2 model, choose your resolution and ratio, then paste your first prompt and click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and your first image is ready, exactly the way you wanted. Now repeat this process for all prompts. Copy, paste, generate. You can even generate multiple images at once to save time. And just like that, all your scenes will be ready. You'll notice something amazing. All images together form a complete story. A person eating fast food, becoming unhealthy, then deciding to change, starting exercise, and finally becoming fit again. Now download all images in high quality, 2K recommended. Because the next step is very important. Now we convert these images into animation. For that, we'll use Grok AI. This tool allows you to create videos completely free. Upload your images, add motion, transitions, and your voiceover, and your animated video is ready. Finally, take this entire script, convert it into a professional English voiceover. Make sure nothing is missing. Every word matters. Because this is what makes your video engaging, emotional, and viral. So follow all these steps carefully, and you can build a powerful YouTube automation channel in this niche. Let's go create something amazing. Alright viewers, now listen carefully. First of all, you need to open this website, CapCut AI. This is the platform where I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI 100% for free. Now the first step is very simple. You just need to log in. Make sure you use your personal Gmail account because temporary emails are not accepted here. Once you log in with your personal Gmail, you'll receive around 80 free credits per day. Now, if you look here, this platform offers multiple options. You can generate text, images, and even use different AI providers. There are a lot of tools available on this website. In fact, they have around 66 different models available. But today our main focus is on Grok AI, so scroll down a bit, and here you can see Grok. Now here's something important. Grok AI takes around 20 credits per video. So if you have around 60 credits, that means you can easily create 3 to 5 videos. And yes, you can even create short-form videos using this. Now let's get practical. Open Grok Imagine. Here you can see the settings, output, credits per second, and more. Now what you need to do is click on Remove All, then click on Select File and upload your first image. After that, give it a strong and clear prompt. Then set your mood, aspect ratio, and other settings according to your preference. And finally, click on the Run or Generate button. Now just wait for a moment. As you can see, the video generation has started. And the best part? Within just 1 minute, your video will be ready. And boom, our first video is ready. Just look at this. It's smooth, engaging, and even includes voiceover. The quality is absolutely amazing. Now simply download this video, and let's move to the second one. Again, select your second image, add your prompt, click on Generate. Wait a few seconds, and boom, your second video is ready as well. You can clearly see how unique and engaging this looks. This proves that Grok AI on this website is working really well. Now let's try one more. I'll select the third image, add a proper prompt, and click on Generate again. After waiting a bit, oh my god, just look at this. Our final video is ready, and it looks absolutely trending and high quality. So viewers, now you understand. You can upload as many images as you want, add prompts, generate videos, and create complete animated content very easily. This platform is really powerful for image-to-video generation using Grok AI. You'll find the link in the description. Just click and get started. Now let's move to the final step, editing. For editing, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut. Import all the videos you generated. Drag them into the timeline. Now arrange them in sequence. Decide which clip comes first and which comes next. Once your sequence is ready, your video structure is complete. Now for a professional touch, go to Captions. Click on Generate Captions. After a few seconds, templates will appear. Choose any style you like and apply it. Now your video looks even more professional. Finally, export your video. And once it's exported, watch the final result. Oh my god, this is an amazing trending short video. Now you can upload it on your YouTube channel. And trust me, this type of content has huge viral potential. So viewers, I hope you really liked today's new idea. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything, because we bring new ideas for you every single day. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful idea. Until then, goodbye.